Good morning, teachers and all my dear friends. I, Simal Chauthani, and my topic for today is coping up with academic pressure. The greatest weapon against stress is our ability to choose one thought over another. Our life is full of hustle with a touch of stress. Stress is something that grows with our own ability of overthinking, depression, frustration, or academic pressure. This academic pressure is the main cause of a stressful life, as coping up with the same is very necessary in this stressful and competitive world. So, to cope up and reach the heights of easy success, getting at least 6 to 7 hours of sleep, 3 meals each day, regular exercising, and interacting with people, and end the day with a hot shower and a cup of green tea soothes our soul. Academic stress is the blue moon in our life. It comes and goes as soon as a blink of an eye. We must not ponder upon it and must move on with the flow of life. Self-belief helps to cope up with such pressures. Thus, we must enjoy our life and live in present. Thank you.